Hey people, now we're doing a farewell video. This is of the other TG&Y champion boxer that I've had for quite a number of years now. Probably around 9 years, almost a decade. All this was a good fan. If I didn't have that trade deal going, I would have kept it. But I've been seeing those other TG&Y boxes with the TG&Y logo on the front grill, and I pretty much thought I'd want to get one of those just for variety. Well, this one's going to be traded in on I think on a Penncrest 200 box fan, which my friend Trshslsa, who I'm trading this fan with, believes from circa 1969. And he wanted one of the fans that I have trade with it. And thought this would be a good one to trade, despite how long I've had it and how good a fan it's been. You'll notice this one still has the Champion branded logo on the front grille, even though it's rebadged for TG&Y. And I've already got a brown Champion branded box fan with that same badge on the front, so thought needed, may get one that other TG&Y box fan that I just got would make for more variety, so got that, and this is what I'll be trading in. I'll have an overall look at the fan. You notice this one's still got its original knob. I got the same on the brown Champion, so no big deal. Now, while this one's a near mint shape cabinet-wise, thought I'd get the other one for me and let my friend have this one. As you can see, it's got a more deeper green color than the one I just got. I think the other one's just slightly paler, or something like that. There's the other side. And around the back. This one just has a serial motor on the back part of the center part of the back grill, so nothing fancy there. Overall look at the back. As you can see, there's some grill slats that are broken. One that's half missing. None of them are fully missing. And unlike the other TG&Y boxer I just got in the brown Champion, so this one has some kind of oddball motor in it. Who knows who made it, even though the tag says Champion Corporation or something like that on it. It's also got a red tag saying it's a Permawick motor, which means it's got that sawdust-like stuff for retaining the oil or something like that. I kind of thought this was from 1975. It said 75 on the stator, but who knows? The other one I got is from 74. So this might actually be an earlier one. Probably from earlier in 74, maybe before that. Like 73 or so. Who knows? Turn it back around. Here's a tag. There's my clock again. Yeah, the only difference though with the tag on this one, the other one, this one, I think has the older golden T shield on it. It says a golden T product. In fact, who knows if this may be a later one than the other one. The cabinet seems to be a later design. And once again, it still has its original knob. And if you may recall, this one did come with a box sitting right over there. Though I'm trading in the fan, I'm actually keeping the box. Yeah, because the person I'm trading this fan with for the Penncrest, YouTube user Trshslsa, I think that's how you pronounce his name. He's letting me keep the boxes. He doesn't care to keep any original boxes or anything, so this box will now belong to my new TG&Y box fan. So I'm still keeping that. And now we'll see this thing run for one more time. Here's high. Here's medium. Low. Back to high. And as always, O-double-F spells off. And there you have it. This is the last we'll see of this fan before I trade it in on that other fan, that Penncrest. So, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy the video, Trshslsa, because this is going to you. So, thank you for watching.